Alright. Good morning, everyone. Why do I look so red? Is it just me or do I look incredibly red? I think I look very red. Let me share my screen. We're jumping on, guys. We're jumping on. Let me share the Zoom link with everyone. Gold is shaping up. Goldie is waking up. Good morning, Gold. Good morning. Huge push down in Asia today. I've got two zoomed in here. All right, let's get everyone in here. All right, cool. All right, what's going on, Zoom guys? What's going on? Hopefully you guys managed to catch the market call. Just explaining why we haven't jumped on yet. But now that we are grabbing the lows, looking like we're going to break out on gold. Amazing. Now we can jump up. I didn't want to make you guys sit there and watch gold go sideways after such a big move down in Asia, but price is shaping up now. So fantastic. Now we're grabbing the lows. There's no real top wick. I'm looking for gold buys up into here. And that's all I said in the market call. You've seen this massive push down. Until we grab these lows, we can't go long. And until we maybe tap into these regions, we can't go short. Well, amazing. Now we've grabbed the lows. We're about to close back above this major level. Last time we did that, we bottom weight and had a really nice drive. So fantastic. Now we can look to see gold to continue pushing up. Why can't I delete this alert? There you go. So we got 1 minute till it's gonna close. And what we're basically looking for here, guys, is we're now looking for gold. You've come down, you've grabbed the liquidity, you're re-breaking out. So now we're looking for a bottom wick and to see this nice gold pullback. Maybe just back into these regions. You know, that would still be pretty nice. A bottom wick on the next 30 up into there is still like a 60 tick retracement. That's a fantastic trade. That's a very nice trade. So that's why we're just waiting to jump on. I don't want to make you guys sit there and just watch gold go sideways. It's not productive for anyone's trading career. But now that we are getting this confirmation of trades, amazing. Now we can jump on. Let me just fire up all the platforms here. All the platforms. Where are we? Let's get Top Step up here as well. Let's get Top Step up. Top Step. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Howdy. Ooh, good morning, guys. What's going on? Ooh, look at this gold pushing beautifully here, guys. So, we're going to look for this 30 to give a nice bottom wick, and then we're going to look for some buys on gold. Okay? Bottom wick on the next 30, and then we're going to be looking for some longs. Let me just log into Top Step here. Very nice to see gold coming all the way back down. Literally ripping that perfect double bottom and now rejecting very well. So we've had the liquidity grab. We're re-breaking back out. Amazing. Let's see if we get this bottom wick here, guys. Let me drop down to the 5 minute. Let's get in the zone now. What could we do here? 5 minutes just come down. Grab 5 minute lows, close bullish. If this 5 minute re-breaks back higher into here, you've got 10. We are trying to get this to come much higher though. Could we manage risk off that low? Maybe off the previous 15 low to at least come back up into here. That's all we're really looking for here. What would that look like? No orders in just yet, guys. I'm just drawing this up. It's quite 26 ticks up into there, 29. Well, I kind of want a bit of a better risk to reward than that. Let's see. Or could we actually buy stop here? Yeah, you at least have to have stops there. You're trying to get this play much higher. We could actually rip much more. That's the thing. We could rip much more. You can honestly go on gold. You can come all the way back up into here. I'm not going to hold it that big. We're not here. We're not swing trading. We're just scalping. But this is a decent bottom wick on this we are still at that hourly support, but that 30-minute was really nice. Really nice. And we could probably, you know, if this 5 does flip, we could probably just risk off that 5 low. So I'm going to look for a buy stop here in a second, guys. I'll put it in like this. I'll show you guys when to put it in. This is a decent bottom wick here as well. It's a very nice bottom wick. Yeah, I'm putting in a buy on the break of this 5-minute flip here, guys. If we don't reflip back bullish, that's totally fine. We'll just wait. But if we can flip bullish, this could be a very, very, very nice 30 bottom wick, and we could have a really nice drive here. So I'm taking it on the flip of the body, not the break of the high. So on the futures, you're looking at around 43.8. Seeing if you can have this nice drive all the way back up into here for about 30 ticks. If we don't flip here, you know, we may have to take an hourly morning star play. You know, do the exact same thing we're doing now, but on the hourly. And all we're really looking to do, that's all really. Just a little pullback back up into this region before then potentially dropping lower. You had this really big move down in Asia today. You liquidated these highs we spoke about in our pre-New York market call yesterday in
Recording in progress.
The New York session. You grabbed these highs in Asia and had this huge sell-off. Really big sell-off. So let's see if we can get this pullback on gold. Management point would probably be these highs here at least. But ideally, we can play it back up into here. If the 5-minute closes bearish, maybe we'll wait for the 15 to come down a little bit more. Because you can still come back down into... maybe back down into here. Here. Faked out, came all the way back down, retested it. Then he had the big push. We've now faked out. Could we come all the way back down here, retest it before pushing? Yep. Possible. So if this 5-minute does close bearish, we will cancel and wait. But let's see, let's see, let's see. Why's my internet crap? Oh, it's better now. Let's rip. Yeah, let's get some gold buys. Just for a little pullback, you know, nothing huge. Just a nice little pullback. Like I say, if we don't do it in this current 5, we could actually pull back to here before doing that, and that's also fine. Stop loss will be no more than this current 5 low, which is only risking 14 ticks to make 30. How long have we got? 40 seconds now. Let's cancel. You're not going to flip in this current 5. I've cancelled. I'm waiting. Let's see this 5 close, because you don't want this to tag you in and then just come straight back down before then pushing. If this 5 was going to flip, we would have done it already. Let's see. Yeah, full margin to all-time highs. Absolutely. Absolutely. The reason you want to cancel it so close to this close is because this could close. The next 5-minute could top wick, tag you in, and just push down. I've had that happen before. So I've just cancelled that buy stop. I'm just going to wait to see how this closes in 8 seconds. If we don't flip, the next 5 could come down a little bit here. I am skeptical that we do come all the way back down to here. Yeah, cancelled. Because you don't want this next 5 to top wick, tag you in, and push lower. If you re-break these highs here, we could be good for a push. But now we could soon look to actually just flip this 5 instead. So if you were to flip this 5, stops down there. It's a much nicer risk reward. It's like a 1 to 3. Let's see. We may put a buy stop in on the break of this 5. Let's see. I haven't put anything just yet. I'll show you guys when I do. But that could actually be quite nice. And what would that management point be? Especially if you re-grab these lows. It's a 13-tick management with a 30-tick target. Can't see your screen? Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. Everyone else on Zoom, you can see my screen, right? Yep, cool. If the 15 doesn't flip, like I say, the next 15 could come down, re-grab the lows. Buys are still great. Buys are still nice here. I love this liquidity grab and breakout. That's all good, man. Let me know if you get it, Dan. Maybe it's something on your side, man. I'm not too sure. But you should be able to see it. Remember, this 4 hour on gold as well. It doesn't have much of a top wick. And I believe this 4 hour on gold, before you see this potential big drop, you could easily pull back to here before seeing something like this. All you're really doing here is just playing one massive range. That's all you're really doing here. And this range, now that you've liquidated the lows, this is a 100 tick range. That's amazing. To catch a 4 hour 100 tick top wick, to create more of a top wick on this 4 hour, or even if the next 4 hours is gonna push down, it's probably gonna look something like that. So we can just buy up into that areas. That's a great trade. So we're trying to buy it into at least here, I would say. At least there. So you're re-grabbing previous 5 lows. I don't really have any downside targets to sell gold yet. If I do want to be selling gold, like we could sell it down into here. But if I want to see gold selling down into there, I need to see that pullback first before then doing that. So if I want to sell gold today, it'll be back more so like around these areas. If I want to be selling gold, it'll be back around here. So if we can buy up into there before that potential push down, fantastic. Fantastic. But yeah, this is a massive, massive, massive push down in Asia. Absolutely huge push. 230 tick push down. Absolutely huge. Where's that? On the 30. Is that around here? Where did you get that, man? Is it around there? Close bearish, doji. Yeah, here, yeah, yep. I like that, man. I like that. Still pushing lower here. It's the beauty of the buy stops. If we don't flip, we don't force the trade. The hourly may actually close. We may get off the hourly. Where the hourly could close doji. Maybe bottom wick on the next hour and then pull back maybe into these highs. That's what I'm expecting on gold. A big kind of just like this. Huge push down, but just like this. Before then breaking lower or breaking higher. Let me drop down to the 5. So 5 just closed bearish there, so no longs just yet. If we want longs on gold, we want to get back above this level. And amazing, then you got fake out buys if you do. Otherwise, if you don't, you may push down a little bit more, but I have no downside targets or desire to sell it. Fake out buys from this area would be really nice as well. What time is it? 41. About to get the 15 close soon. Alright, give me 2 seconds, guys. We need to see it's 15 close. 2 seconds. Where have we gone? So 15 is about to reclose back bearish, so no longs on Goldie just yet. Not with the way that 15's just closed. No longs on Goldie. Unless this 15 starts wicking after grabbing the lows, wicking back above here. Amazing buys, but nah. Looks like a 15 fake out to continue to range. No sells, there's no targets. No sells. I have no desire to sell. God, there's 0 targets. 0 targets. Which is a shame because we were shaping up for some nice longs. But, I mean, unless this 30 can still flip, yeah, you have it. We'll have to see. If this 30 closes bearish, I'll have to see the hourly. Like I say, I'm not selling gold today. The reason I'm not selling gold is I'm not selling gold here. If I'm selling gold today, like I said, I'm selling gold up here. I ain't selling gold down here at major support. So if we do refake out this level, could you look for sells? Not for me. I don't need to chase that. You're then just kind of trading what you want to see as opposed to what you're actually seeing. So bearish 15 close there, guys. You can see the 15 at least close bullish. So give it like 5-10 minutes, guys, and then we'll see how that closes. I'll be back in like 5 minutes, guys. Feel free to stay on, but you're not going to do anything until that 15 now recloses back above. So let that 15 close, and then amazing, we can have some buys. But I'll come back in about 5 minutes, guys. Just gonna see my girlfriend has just got home, just in case we start doing anything crazy. We'll leave it there. 2 seconds, guys. I'm back, guys. I just went to make a little protein shake. How we looking, Goldie? How we looking? Holding up. We're trying to hold up. All I really want to see is a 15-minute fake out for buys. Back above here, and then boom. Maybe not. Even just back above here, to be honest. Closure back above this level, and I got fake out buys on gold. Especially if this 30-minute can wick back up as well. My protein shake have raw eggs? Nah, it doesn't actually. It's got creatine, protein powder, strawberries, bananas, and a little bit of milk. That's what we're getting in today. Are you guys on, where are you guys on Zoom? You guys on Zoom? People in Perth. I'm going to try and come to Perth soon. Yeah, I think that might be the play. I honestly think that Owlie could really be a nice play. I know, finally, man. I know. I don't have a date in mind. I'll try and organize something after this. 30 minutes trying to shape up here. I know, Aiden, finally. How many years has it been? Yeah, absolutely, Dan. Yeah, 100%, man. Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, some of you guys are FIFO. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. I'll give you guys a couple of weeks, if not months, notice. Absolutely. Absolutely. Just need to, yeah, try and figure out a date to come down. Oh, look at this. This could be really juicy here, guys. We could have some nice buys here today. Let me get rid of this alert. Let's drop down to 5. Yep, absolutely. Yep, sounds good, Aiden. Drop me a message, man. I'll drop you a message. 8 on 6 off. Yeah, nice, nice. Hey, George, how's it going, man? Strong 5-minute close here, guys, and we can have some longs. Bottom wick, and you got some buys up into here. We may have to weather a little bit of drawdown for the hourly close, but up into them highs, we're talking 25 ticks. And we're trying to target here, but even up into that highs, that's 20 ticks. Let's see, 40 seconds. Instant bottom wick on this 5, and we can look for some longs. The video yesterday will be out at 1 hour after our live stream ends, man. It's all ready to go. I'll just set it live straight after when we jump off this stream. I'll set it live. Bottom wick on this next 5, guys. We may have some longs. So let's see. Bottom wick. Don't rip too much, Goldie. You're shaping up nicely. This 30 is about to flip soon as well. This 30 is looking really nice. I think the hourly may still give a bottom wick, but let's see. Instant bottom wick on this 5, guys, and we may look for some longs. We'll probably risk off if you break back below this level here. This will be stop loss area. Bottom wick, go to go. I'm going to take some long. Nah, you mother. I'm not long yet. Futures is pushing up. Currency's pushing down. How can I buy that if they're opposites? I was about to market execute some buys, but futures was pushing up as currency was pushing down, so my entry wouldn't have been very good. If this currency comes down a little bit, I'll look for the long. Pretty much looking for something like this. Got a top wick there now. If this 5 can reflip back bullish, could we get some longs? See, the futures is flipping before the currency. It's really throwing me off here. Damn. I'm not in this yet, guys. I'm not in this. I really wanted this. I was about to put this buy order in, but the futures was flipping before this currency, and it was throwing me off a little bit. I still believe with the hourly is going to give a bottom wick, and this is the last 5 of the hourly as well. It just wouldn't surprise me if you just get that last hourly volume that just spikes these highs. But let's see. I'll tell you guys when I go in. I'm not in yet. I wouldn't actually put in a hard stop there. My hard stop would be like somewhere down here maybe, but my actual stop loss managing the trade would actually be here. But I don't really put in hard stops. I do maybe just to be safe, but my actual stop loss would be if you close back below this level, that would be my actual exit there. We'll come back down here now anyway. But nah, it doesn't really affect it too much, man. Other than you get a little bit more drawdown. Yeah, it's a delay. Yeah, I never really seen it that. I have before actually. This trade's based off a 30-minute liquidity grab. Grab the lows and breaking out, and we're looking for gold buyers up into here. But I think the hourly will probably give us more of a... As long as this hourly closed like this hourly could still bottom wick into here, then great, we have amazing buys here. And this 4 hour could easily wick back up and tap back into these regions, which would be a very big trade. Because all we're really doing on gold is we're just creating one big massive range. From here to here. We're creating one big range, but it's a very big range. It's very tradable. Very tradable. Very tradable. So let's see if this next hourly opens, grab some 5-minute lows. Great. We got gold buys. Yeah, because you've broken back above this level, so you want to see this level held to push up. If you reclose back below, you'll probably just range and just chop. As long as you now hold above this area, great. You've got gold buys into here and into here. I don't know why this YouTube stream keeps going laggy. We don't have any yeah, I don't know, it's back now. I'm seeing it here on OBS. It keeps like going up and down. I don't know why. It should be better now. My Wi-Fi is turned off and everything else. Am I on the right? Yeah, I'm on the right window. I don't know why it's doing that. I might have to reset it in a second. I'm not going to reset right now because I'm about to take a trade. Let me watch it. I'll keep an eye out, guys. If it goes funny, I will look to reset. Let me see if we get these gold buyers. So we want hourly bottom wick, tap into this level, and want to buy into here. That's our plan for the next hour. This is going to be a beautiful hourly close. Let's see. Instant bottom wick here, which is nice. I want to see some lows grab though. So hourly has just grabbed the lows, closed bullish back above all of this level into an instant bottom wick. If we grab these lows without creating a top wick, I will just mark execute longs from here. As soon as you create the top wick, you can already go break even. Do I want to flip it from here just yet? I don't think so. Yeah, look at that 15 fake out. Huge. Broke above, broke back below, broke back above again. So as long as we can bottom wick into here and then drive, fantastic. There's nothing wrong with taking it from here. The only thing is taking the 5 flip from here. The risk reward is not the best. Oh, don't do it. Don't do it, Goldie. Don't do it. Is that all of the bottom wick we're going to get on this hourly? Really? Really? Some may call that a fair value gap. Tagged in? Yeah, if you're tagged in, you can just manage as soon as you get into these areas. I'm not in yet. I wanted to see it just grab these lows, just to make the risk reward worth it. I am not in yet. I'm not in. I believe the hourly will give us a little bit more than that. About to spike these highs here. Oh, damn it. Wait, how much is that? That 5 flip is, yeah, 10 ticks. 10 ticks. Creating some liquidity above these highs now, which is good. As long as we don't grab these and we pull back, great, we now have a fantastic target. Alright guys, give me, I don't know why this is lagging out. Give me 2 minutes, I'm going to refresh. I need to see gold come back down here if I'm going to buy. Give me literally 2.
Recording in progress.
All right, there we go. There we go. There we go. Cool. All right, what this does, we just grab these highs, trying to come back down here on gold. I do believe we're still going to tap into these regions, but I do think you're going to see a bit more of a bottom wick than this. I want to see these little lows grabbed here so we can get the push. So we can get the push. Because if we take this 5 flip from here, I don't really have a stop. But if we can pull back, grab some lows, and then break out, then great. We can buy from here. We can risk off wherever these lows are going to be. Lost 2 fund accounts and multiple challenges? That's a crazy amount to lose in 1 month, man. Hey, if you're not already consistent on paper trading, trading funded accounts is not going to be your solution, man. People always just, they're not consistent paper trading or trading personal, and they go straight to funded. Funding firm isn't going to solve inconsistency issues. It's only going to make your problems worse. If you're not already consistent on paper trading, why are you even funding these firms? You go to a funding firm once you have a strategy and plan down. But to lose multiple accounts and fund accounts all in 1 month is, to me, that's too aggressive. That's too aggressive. Can't hear me. Everyone else, you guys can hear me, right? No, I'm not. Loud and clear, yep. Yep, cool. Oh, gold, man. No entry on this. Other than you actually take the 15 flip, then you got to manage your 15 lows, which is just quite large. You can take this, but there's your stops. Here to here, it's a negative risk reward. That's all good, man. That's all good. So you're coming back up into, bound to come back up into this level. Yeah, update for your strategy. Yeah, absolutely, man. Yep. Over at least 100 trades. At least. Yeah, buy and hold. Yeah, I know. It's crazy. Was this 4 hour? Look at this 4 hour now. So this is our main target here. So we do still have a much bigger range here. If this 4 hour flips bullish, we're going to tap into here. So we haven't missed it just yet. That's still quite far away. I just need to see it grab some lows so we can actually get in. What's this day looking like? Yesterday, the thing is, yesterday actually closed. Look at that, it's crazy. Yesterday actually grabbed day lows and closed bullish above this level. So to see today grabbing highs and coming this far down is crazy. If today closes bearish, you're going to see gold come all the way back down into here much lower. That's only if today closes bearish. I do still believe before that, you're going to top wick into these areas. Like, you know, if you're gonna see that massive push down on gold, there's a high chance you'll do this first before them potentially coming up into these highs again. Starting to come down a little bit here now, which is nice. Need Goldie to grab some lows so we can get in this. Just called this whole move up, but catch an entry here has not been easy. 30 tick push up. That was a huge liquidity grab. 70 tick retracement just off them lows. Huge, 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 huge. So 5 minutes coming down quite hard here now, which is nice. Come down, grab some lows. How's that 30 looking? 30, yeah, 30's grabbing previous 30 highs. 15's about to close in 2 minutes here as well. If this 5 minute close bearish, this 15's not going to look very nice here. It's not going to look bad, but it's not going to look great. You can still play this big overall range. Yeah, take a look at this 15. You do still have, though, here is what I believe we could easily see gold retrace into. That doesn't mean you can't come down and then So 40 seconds is 15 is going to close with a big wick rejection. Big wick rejection. Don't flip bearish on this 15, that wouldn't be good. Don't see the 15 actually flip bearish. So 5 just faked out of this resistance level after liquidating these highs, which is our like break-even point. Now coming back lower. I do believe you come and grab these lows. Yeah, you may even come down and re-grab. If you grab previous 15 lows, then flip out of that, then that would be great. I think that's also about there as well, which should tap into these regions. It's 15. Is this a big 15 level of resistance? Yes. Broke above. Support. Support. Resistance. Resistance. So, seeing a reaction off this level is not too surprising. So if we can come down and grab 15 lows and look for buys out of that, great. Or unless you break back above there, you got just react to fake out buys. That's also fine. Ready for a bearish month? Yeah, I'm not swing trading. Who cares? I couldn't even care where today closes. I'm only interested in what's going to happen in the next hour. But also, gold's at all-time highs. Don't predict that far ahead. Gold's all-time highs, react to all-time highs. This is where we want to be buying up into. Yeah, still 20 ticks away. So 5 minutes to come down and grab the lows, trying to close bullish. If we break back above this level, bottom wick could we buy up into previous 15 highs, because you're very likely going to grab them. Let's see. Top step X. Yeah, nice strong 5 close here, guys. Bottom wick, and we could look for some longs. Let's see if this next 5 gives a bottom wick here. And you can just risk off previous 5 lows because it actually grabbed the previous 5s. And just to at least grab these highs before potentially dipping lower. So could you take this? What would that look like? Oh, I'm not in this. I'm not in this just yet, guys. 14, 21. Let's see here on the futures. Well, you're risking like 7 ticks. Let's see. We're dipping nicely now. What time is it? 20 past. Unless you re-break these lows. But yeah, if this current 5 can reflip back bullish, we could see a nice push up here. Unless we break these lows. You break these lows, you're going to come lower. There you go. Yeah, you're going to come lower. Disregard. Disregard. You want to see them lows respected to a 5-minute potential morning star. But you break these lows, you could push down more. We're just trying to get in before the breakout because so often recently gold's been breaking out and then just actually just ripping. I'm just trying to understand liquidity to get in before that. Yeah, very likely crash. Yeah, that's honestly what I'm expecting. Just one big range before probably pulling up later, maybe. Yeah, it's an absolute. Even if this was a New York move, you know, it's a what? After you grab these highs in Asia, it's a 230 tick push down. Even if we do correct, you know, back up into these regions, it's gonna correct up there. It's gonna grind its way up slowly, probably. Which is kind of tough. What time did this start? Yeah, this started like 2 AM London time. The buys yesterday on gold were beautiful though. Really nice. About to grab previous 15 lows, which is nice. That's what we like to see. $30's also now flipping bearish. Yep, all good, Dan. Talk to you soon, man. Nice one, Adam. See you soon, man. I want to see how we react to these 15 lows. We start grabbing these and flipping bullish. Yeah, great. This 15 flip, we now have a valid stop. To retrace into here is 30 ticks. Yeah, London trades are on vacation, yeah. That looks like it. Well, I mean, it's what you expect in August. That's why it's good that August has been such a good month. August has been a very busy month, which is great, because, yeah, August is usually a very slow month. So, I mean, trading on the last week of August, who needs to force anything? We've had a great month. We've had some amazing calls in August. Amazing calls. Ooh. Yeah, good shout, man. Good shout. Talk to you soon, man. I'll probably do the same soon. Ooh, look at this 15. 15 is holding this little level. We've just liquidated them little 5-minute lows that we spoke about. So now if you want buys, maybe just back above there could be good enough. Now that we've just grabbed this little liquidity, that was the lows we spoke about there. Now grab these lows. Ooh, trying to get back above it. Let's see if this 5 can get back above. Last 5 of the 15 as well. In order to grab previous 15 highs, that's 25 ticks away. That could be a nice little scalp. And that's all it would be, it's just a quick scalp. Oh yeah, this could be nice here, guys. We got some buys here in a second. Let's see. This is a decent reaction from them lows. Bottom wick on this next 15 and we could have some buys here. Let's see, 12 seconds here, guys. Let's have a look. 12 seconds. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. We get decent bottom wick there on gold. Let's have a look. A little bit more. Might mark executing buys in a second. You buy from there. Yeah, the risk was shit. I'm not buying from there. If it pushes up, so be it. I'm not buying from there. The risk was crap. But just trying to force a trade. You probably will grab these highs, but yeah, well, I need more of a bottom wick because it's also the 30 than one tick. There's also the open of the 30. Previous 30 grabbed the highs, respected resistance, respected support, closed doji. Doji. Not the best 30-minute close. What time is it? 8:30. 8:30 London time. How's your week been? Yeah, week's been good, man. Week's been good. Month in general has been pretty good. Month in general has been very good, I should say. Bitcoin price action, I think it's been beautiful. I think Bitcoin's been on an amazing run. Faked out of that 60,000 level and ripped all the way into 65 and had a nice sell-off. So buys from 60 to 65 was a very easy trade. A very easy trade. But now you probably want to just see actually this monthly close on Bitcoin. But I think on this month, as long as you close above 60,000, this could be one big liquidity grab to start pushing back up into 75s. There you go, gold regrabbing them highs now. Looks like that was enough of the bottom wick. A one tick bottom wick was enough by the looks of it. There you go, now grabbing highs. Came down, grabbed lows, pushed up. Could have just bought below there in hindsight. 40 ticks. Took that and passed a combine. Good job, Carl. Well done, man. Well done. Passing a combine is in August is amazing, man. Well done. Good job, man. It's amazing work. Yeah, it's not really hindsight for me there. It didn't follow the rules. You didn't break out, grab lows, and close bullish with that clear targets. Not like the other trades you've had this month. It's like, yeah, it was kind of there, but not really. It was almost forcing it a bit. You wanted to close above, give a bit better of a bottom wick, and then you can take it to grab the highs. But you closed it above, one tick bottom wick and just pushed. Yeah. Also just passed my 50k combine. Well done. Amazing. Amazing work. Good job on actually executing it. It's amazing. Because I didn't get to execute it, but it followed it perfectly. Literally grabbed these lows and then came straight for the highs. There's your 30 ticks for the day. Don't wait for me to tell you when to buy. I'm not here to tell you what to do. We just called that beautifully. Yeah, talk strong enough. Yeah, 215 equal highs. Definitely, man. Grab the 15 lows. As soon as you grab the 15 lows, you're coming for the 15 highs. Fair value gap here as well. Yeah, well done, Carl. Amazing work. Amazing work. Yeah, nah, I don't. Nah, I don't. I'm just joking. I know they do look at that as one, but that's the thing. We see the same things whilst calling it two different things. Let's look at it as a support level and grabbing previous lows. Think of getting the ability to do what I love and passionate about. Awesome, amazing. That's what we love to hear. So you're now grabbing previous 30 highs, no real bottom wick on this 30. You're gonna get ugly in here, guys. I don't think I'm gonna see a trade today. Not yet, anyway. I can't even see this 4-hour close. You see if this 4 hour is gonna close bullish or actually just close bearish. But look how ugly this price action is. It's super messy down here. It's like, yeah, you could take a little scalp, but I've had much easier trades than this month. It's also towards the end of August. What do I want to ruin a good month by trying to force a trade in these ugly ranges? The nicest trades are going to be when gold gets above here, buys into there. It's really going to be the nicest trade. What? I know, Chris, I know. Nothing goes unnoticed. The way this 30 is shaping up on this naked chart here. Look at this 30. That's all that buy was, just to grab previous highs. So if this 30 flips bearish, you're just going to continue to range. We now have no upside targets on gold. There's no liquidity to the downside. There's no liquidity to the upside. Wait and see this 15 close. You can tell we're getting towards the end of August. Yeah, you too, Chris. See you next time. You too, Ron. See you next time, man. $300 plasma funded. Awesome, man. Awesome. Don't force it towards the end of the month, man. Take your time. It's usually towards the end of the challenge where people crumble. So take your time with it. Follow the plan. In a day like today, if you're that close to passing your combine, I wouldn't even be watching the charts right now. Wait for a clearer trade, and you will get one. Want to get me a wake up for us? Yeah, get that sleep, man. Get that sleep. If I don't see something in this next 15 close, yeah, it's going to be me for the day. Till closer to New York. No, until the 4 hour close. Can't really do too much until we see that 4 hour close. But if this 4 hour can close doji, potential 4 hour morning star to retrace, maybe. But if this 4 hour breaks this level here, breaks this support, great, we got sells. But if you hold this support, here's your support, here's your resistance, so you're just going to chop. You're going to chop. If you grab these 5-minute lows and then re-break the highs, could we buy up into here? Maybe. Maybe. Oh. If I do take a trade in here, it's going to be half risk, max. Yeah, I think so, Michael. I think so, man. Yeah, and until at least that 4 hour, I think, man. Because you need some sort of direction. You know, it's only so tough today because, you know, pre-London, not even pre-London, Asia has just had, yeah, just an absolutely insane drop. That here's your support, here's your resistance. If you want to trade in that, expect to get chopped up. Not really too much you can really do. We'll just wait for this 15 close, but if it doesn't give us much, guys, yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 4 hour, and then see what that brings. Full risk or no trade. If it's half risk, it's not an A setup. I don't believe there's such thing as an A+ setup. If you knew every trade was going to be an A+ setup, we'd all be millionaires. I don't think it's how the market works. Sometimes you want to take a position to get a feel for the markets, and that's a smart decision. But it's all about what works for you. For me, nah, I don't go full margin or nothing. Sometimes you need a position in the markets just to get a feel for how things are moving, and that doesn't have to be full position. I could sometimes just take like a 1-2 lot, see how the markets are feeling, just to get a clearer direction. But nah, it doesn't always have to be 1% risk or nothing. For me, anyway. For me, yeah, 15 is just gonna close doji, guys. We'll have to watch this. We're just gonna wait for this 4 hour close. I'm gonna wait for this 4 hour close and then kind of go from there. But yeah, expect just a range day on gold for London anyway. With this big move down in Asia, you're gonna go sideways for some time. So yeah, I'm gonna close the charts now. 4 hour closes in an hour and 16 minutes. So for me personally, I'm not gonna do anything on gold until we get an hour and 16. I'm not even gonna set some alerts. I don't care about anything until that 4 hour closes. So yeah, I won't let you guys watch this anymore. I won't bore you. Wait for this 4 hour close. If we close doji, great. We got buys on gold up into 25.17. But until then, let it do its thing. Don't force it, guys. And I'll catch up with you guys very soon. Enjoy, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. You guys on YouTube, I'm going to post this video right now. Right now, I'm going to post this video. Get ready for it. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Studio. Content. I'll share the link here with you guys as well. Let's make this public. Visibility. Public. Done. Save. Boom. Smash. There we go. Alright, enjoy that video, guys. It's insanely valuable. Very, very valuable. And I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow. Trade safe, don't force it. Tomorrow is a new day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.